Let's study the difference between can and could, thinking about questions and then about statements. First, questions. Think about these two questions. Can you come to the store with me? Could you come to the store with me? For Americans, these two questions are really very similar, and we won't worry too much about which word we say. Can is, of course, more about the ability, and could has a little more uncertainty. Unconsciously, we will be more likely to ask, could you come to the store with me, if we are less sure about the other person's response. Okay, now let's think about statements. I can work on the project. I could work on the project if I knew more about it. Now with statements, can and could are quite different. Can represents the positive ability to do something, and could has a strong sense of uncertainty. And usually we qualify a could statement with something. I could work on it if. I could work on it but. So it's really not the positive statement that can is. Okay, those are just a couple basics on the difference between can and could.